Sarah had always dreamed of starting her own business, but fear and self-doubt held her back. Every time she thought about taking action, a little voice in her head whispered, "What if you fail?" One day, she read an article about the power of affirmations. It claimed that successful people train their minds for success through positive self-talk. Curious but skeptical, Sarah decided to give it a try. She had no idea that this small change would completely transform her life. Affirmations are positive statements that help rewire your brain for success. They replace negative thoughts with empowering beliefs, boosting confidence and motivation. Science has shown that repeated affirmations can strengthen neural pathways, making success feel more natural. But here's the catch. Not all affirmations work. There's a right way to create them. Sarah was about to learn how. Sarah's biggest enemy was her own mind. Every time she thought about starting her business, doubt crept in. "I don't have enough experience. Success is for other people, not me. What if I fail and embarrass myself?" She realized that these thoughts were holding her back. But could simply saying positive words change her reality? Sarah discovered that for affirmations to work, they needed to follow 3 rules. 1. Be positive. Focus on what you want, not what you fear. 2. Be present tense. Speak as if success is already happening. 3. Be personal. Use I statements to make them feel real. Instead of saying, "I don't want to fail," she changed her mindset with, "I am capable of achieving success. Opportunities flow to me effortlessly. I trust myself to make the right decisions." She said these affirmations every morning with belief and conviction. At first, it felt awkward. The doubts didn't disappear overnight, but something powerful happened. Sarah stuck with it. After a few weeks, she noticed small shifts. She felt more confident in networking events. She took bold steps toward her business goals. She stopped overthinking and started taking action. Then, the moment of truth arrived. She got an opportunity to pitch her business idea to an investor. Normally, she would have panicked, but this time she took a deep breath, repeated her affirmations, and stepped forward with unshakable confidence. The result? She got funded. Her dream was finally coming true. Sarah's success wasn't magic. It was mental training. Here's how you can create your own powerful affirmations for success. 1. Identify your limiting beliefs. Write down the negative thoughts holding you back. 2. Flip them into positive statements. Change "I can't" into "I am capable." 3. Speak them daily. Say them out loud every morning with emotion. 4. Visualize success. As you repeat your affirmations, picture yourself achieving your goals. Now it's time for you to take action. Try these affirmations every day. I am confident, strong, and unstoppable. I attract success and happiness effortlessly. Every day, I move closer to my dreams. Do this for 30 days and see the transformation. Have you ever tried affirmations before? Share your experience in the comments. Your words shape your reality. Start speaking success into existence today. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Drop a like and let me know your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next one.